Well, a huge blow to the Indian cricket team who are in Australia right now preparing for the 5-match test series against Australia, the Border Gavaskar Trophy. Well, the blow is that Shubman Gill has injured himself during a match simulation in Perth. He was fielding at the slips and while trying to catch a ball, he injured his fingers, and according to a report in TOI, it is being said that he is quite doubtful for the first test match. Obviously, there's nothing official as of now. उस रिपोर्ट में सोर्सेज का ये कहना है कि फील्डिंग करते हुए स्लिप पे कैच पकड़ते हुए उन्होंने अपनी फिंगर को इंजर किया, विच वॉज अ लिटल सीरियस, बट एज ऑफ नाउ there is still some time to the first test, so officially he hasn't been ruled out as of now. Well, a source close to the development had told TOI in the report. He says that yes, Shubman Gill is injured, but it is too early to rule him out of the opening test. The medical team is keeping a close watch on him. This is what the source said. उनका यही कहना है कि उन्होंने इंजरी तो ज़रूर कंफर्म की है कि हाँ, स्लिप पे फील्ड करते हुए उनको एक इंजरी स्केयर ज़रूर आया है, लेकिन इट इज़ टू अर्ली टू रूल हिम आउट. अभी हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि वो पहला टेस्ट मैच नहीं खेलेंगे. मेडिकल टीम देख रही है, एसेस कर रही है, और फिर देखा जाएगा कि इज ही फिट इनफ टू प्ले इन द पर्थ टेस्ट और नॉट, विच बिगिंस ऑन 22nd of November. Now, if Shubman Gill is ruled out, what are the options? As of now, रोहित शर्मा को लेके भी चर्चा है. Now that he has become a father, will he travel for the Perth test or not? क्योंकि अगर वो आएंगे तो एक जगह ऑलरेडी जो जिन्होंने उनको रिप्लेस करना था, चाहे वो KL राहुल होते, चाहे वो अभिमन्यु ईश्वरन होते, उनकी जगह जाएगी. और अगर शुभमन गिल जो नंबर 3 बैटर है, देन हु माइट रिप्लेस हिम? ध्रुव जुरेल हैज बीन बैटिंग ब्रिलियंटली ऑन ऑस्ट्रेलियन पिचेस. ही इज इन गुड निक, ही इज इन गुड टच, सो ही माइट बी इन द प्लेइंग 11. ही माइट फीचर इन द प्लेइंग 11. शुभमन गिल, mind you, is a great asset. He proved himself in the Australian conditions last time when India went to Australia for the 4-match Border Gavaskar सीरीज which India won, हिस्टोरिक टेस्ट सीरीज. उसमें 91 सबको याद है गाबा में शुभमन गिल के कितने क्रूशियल 91 थे वो, बिफोर ही गॉट आउट टू नेथन लायन हैंडिंग एंड कैच एट स्लिप्स. बट शुभमन गिल, a great talent. Obviously it will be a big blow to the Indian team if Shubman Gill remains injured and is unavailable for the first test. Combination भी थोड़ा हिलेगा, जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि Indian team will now have to think that if Shubman Gill doesn't make it to the first test, who will replace him? What are your thoughts? We'll obviously pray that Shubman Gill gets fit and he gets to play in the first test, but अगर वो नहीं खेलते, आपको क्या लगता है who should be the player who should replace Shubman Gill at the number 3 position? और क्या आप डायरेक्ट नंबर 3 पे रिप्लेस करेंगे, आप पोजीशन ऊपर नीचे करेंगे, विराट कोहली को नंबर 3 पे खिलाएंगे? ये हम देख चुके हैं पिछले कुछ टेस्ट मैच में, एक दो बार विराट कोहली की पोजीशन भी एक ऊपर हुई थी. लेकिन your thoughts on this? What would you choose if you are in that team management? Who should replace Shubman Gill in the 11? Well, we'll wait for the official confirmation about his availability for the first test, but as of now the report says that Shubman Gill has injured himself during a simulation game against India A. He was fielding at slips and while trying to take a catch, he injured his finger, and as of now he is still doubtful, although the source says that you can't rule him out too soon. So we'll have to wait and see. You guys please subscribe to the Cricknext YouTube channel. Sari updates about the Border Gavaskar Trophy, about each and every player, we'll bring it to you. All you need to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon.